wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best nano drones. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the eachine E012HW may not take professional quality photos, but with GPS and FPV capabilities, this minuscule winger is a great choice for toying around with aerial acrobatics and streaming video, and it won't leave you cringing if it crash lands in the shrubbery. It offers smartphone app integration and built-in propeller guards. However, it is more expensive than similar quads. At number 9, the Syma X12 is a highly maneuverable option that zips around, swerving, diving and performing nimble flips for up to 10 minutes per charge. A powerful transmitter makes controlling it easy, and a rugged construction means it recovers well from the occasional collision. It's equipped with gyroscopic stability control and is ultra lightweight, but it is tricky to handle in breezy conditions. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Flying and recharging quickly, the minuscule Hubsan Q4 H111 is agile enough to perform 360-degree eversions and other tricky maneuvers for 8 to 10 minutes at a time, and can be launched from one of the operator's hands with the controller held in the other hand. It comes with bicolor flashing LEDs and 3 different performance modes. However, its rotors come off easily. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for nano drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, although the learning to fly curve may be a bit steeper than with similarly sized models, the jjrc H20 hexacopter is fast, responsive and durable. Geared up with a 2-megapixel HD camera, it swoops, dives, flips and speeds along for 5 to 7 thrilling minutes per charge. This one's featherweight and maneuverable, and includes a 4GB SD memory card, but it is difficult to control outdoors. Moving up our list to number 6, with its propeller shielded by a circular guardrail and an optional HD FPV camera on board, the DWI Dowellin D1 is ideal for ramping up the entertainment value of zipping around inside confined flight zones without elevating the risks of harm to housewares or bystanders. It features an altitude hold function and Wi-Fi enabled smartphone control. It makes a fun starter model. Halfway up our list at number 5. Even in the toy category, quads just don't get much more affordable or easy to use than the jjrc H36, making it a great option for youthful and first-time pilots to get the hang of buzzing the landscape and working the controls with minimal risk of damage on impact. It comes with an interchangeable battery, a 12-month limited warranty, and 1 key automatic return. At number 4, pulling off aerial acrobatics and entertaining stunts with ease, the Holystone HS190 is as fun to fly as it is inexpensive. With its foldable design and compact controller, it can be tucked safely into a backpack or pocket to accompany amateur pilots wherever they roam. This is a good choice for absolute beginners, and though it's affordably priced, it's fully featured. It comes with responsive tech support and service. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, equipped with a Wi-Fi enabled 720p camera, the rabing mini foldable FPV frolics for up to 10 minutes at a time, sending a live feed of imagery to your smartphone along the way. It's also tiny enough to be tucked away in its own pocket-sized controller between flights. This one weighs less than 10 ounces and needs only half an hour to recharge. It's a kid-friendly, small but mighty design. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for nano drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Kolibri Torpedo Micro FPV sports a unique shape vaguely reminiscent of a futuristic extraterrestrial lander, with propellers mounted beneath the chassis rather than overhead. Paired with an iOS or Android device, it's a fun way to stream and record aerial images. It's VR headset compatible and features autonomous flight modes and up to 7 minutes of flight time. And coming in at number 1 on our list, building on the success of its previous iteration, Trendlab's Skeye Nano 2 packs a miniaturized HD camera and robust flight control technology into a Lilliputian airframe that withstands mid-air collisions and minor splashdowns nearly as well as it perches on your fingertip. It boasts automatic takeoff and landing, and FPV video and still recording, plus it stores in its controller. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Nano drones, or simply click beneath this video.